Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Have you thought about substituting plain yogurt for sour cream? In this video, I'll share what is sour cream and yogurt ingredients and nutrition, and substituting yogurt for sour cream. Sour cream and yogurt are both dairy products. Sour cream is made by fermenting cream with lactic acid bacteria. Fermentation lowers the cream's pH, giving it an acid or sour flavor. Crème fraîche is a French high-fat version of sour cream with twice the calories. Yogurt is whole, reduced fat, or fat-free milk fermented with various bacteria cultures. Fermenting milk sugars produces lactic acid that acts on the milk protein, giving yogurt its texture and tart flavor. Because most of the milk sugar lactose is converted to lactic acid, some people with lactose intolerance can eat yogurt with little or no discomfort. Like most prepared foods, less ingredients usually means higher quality and cost. Sour cream and plain yogurt require 2 ingredients, cream or milk, and a fermenting agent. Some low-cost plain yogurts use pectin as a thickener. Ultra-processed sour cream can have a variety of additives like skim milk, gelatin, modified cornstarch, carrageenan, locust bean gum. Ultra-processed yogurts include a wide variety of sweetened yogurts and yogurt-like products. Besides fat content, sour cream and yogurt are about the same nutritionally. Plain 0% fat yogurt has about 1/3 the calories of sour cream. It's lower in cholesterol and slightly higher in carbohydrates and protein. By comparison, 5% fat Greek yogurt still has about half the calories of sour cream. It also has almost 3 times the protein. Sour cream and plain yogurt provide about the same amount of calcium and potassium. Sour cream has about 5 times the vitamin A of plain yogurt due to its higher fat content. Like many prepared foods, most people eat more than the 2 tablespoon serving. Substituting a 2 tablespoon serving of low-fat plain yogurt for sour cream cuts calories by more than 60%. Or you can use 3 times the amount of plain zero-fat yogurt for about the same calories as a serving of sour cream. Substituting 5% fat Greek yogurt for sour cream still cuts the number of calories in half. You can also reduce calories in any recipe by replacing part of the sour cream with yogurt. For many recipes, like dips, dressings, and condiments, plain or Greek yogurt can be substituted directly for sour cream. Adding yogurt to hot foods like soups, curries, and stroganoff can cause it to curdle due to its high protein content. Tempering yogurt before adding it to hot foods can reduce or prevent curdling. Allowing refrigerated yogurt to come to room temperature also reduces curdling. Adding yogurt to hot foods as a condiment does not cause curdling. If you're trying to cut calories and enjoy the tart flavor of sour cream, considering substituting plain yogurt. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.